Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here today, and I am so excited with what I have on my head right now. So this is Caliente by Belle Tress, which I reviewed a while back, and I reviewed her in the color Mocha with Cream. And I noticed that there was a new color available for her, and the Mocha with Cream, it was just a little bit light for my complexion. And so I really had to adjust my makeup, and I wasn't 100% comfortable with the color. I had that color in Bellissima as well, and I always kind of felt the same way. And it had a really dark root on it, so there was a lot of variation in the color. So I noticed that Belle Tress was offering this new color called English Toffee, but nobody seemed to have it available. I checked one retailer, and it said that it was a pre-order color. And I checked with another one, and they emailed me back and they said, no, we don't actually have the color yet. So I just thought, well, as soon as that color's available, I'm gonna get it. So I'm in the Facebook page for Andrea's business, Wig Studio One, and she just happened to pop on there and say, hey, I've got Caliente, it's almost sold out, and I've got this many and this and all these different colors, and I saw that she had 10 of them in this gorgeous color, English Toffee. So I jumped on it and I just bought one because, like I said, I have been waiting. I haven't even seen any reviews on this color. I'm hoping that it is going to take off and it is going to be popular because it is finally, in my opinion, a true brunette that I can love from them, that does not have the dark rooting. So they have cherry, cola with cherry, they have chocolate with caramel, and they have mocha with cream in their brunette range. And then they have a few that are darker, but they're like dark brown to black. So there's a ginger and a coffee without cream, I believe. So when I saw the swatch for English Toffee, I was thinking, I think that's the one that I want. That's the brunette I've been looking for. But then, like I said, I couldn't find it anywhere. So this is English Toffee, and I love it. It's a gorgeous color. So we're here to talk about the color. Let's jump right in and talk about it. So English Toffee is a brunette. It is medium. They describe it, Belle Tress does, as a medium chocolate brown with a Tuscany brown with Auburn highlights. So that Tuscany, they're just describing as a rich brown. So I'll stand away a little because sometimes if I get too close and there's no face on the camera, you get a reflection, and I want you to see truly what this color looks like. So just really, really pretty. And Caliente is just, I love this wig. I love the wave pattern. The bang just falls right across the forehead without getting in my face. It's got these cool shattered waves. It's very on trend, very modern. It's kind of razored at the end, so it's just a cool cut. And the one that I had before I sold her to my friend, and you know who you are, I was noticing that the heat-friendly fibers were wearing really, really well. I didn't have any wear on the ends at all. So, I'm hopeful that this one will be the same way. But let me tell you, I'll be standing in line to get another one as soon as it starts to show anywhere. But I think that it's gonna last for a while. I'm really, really excited about it. So really, really cute. I'll do a turn so you can see it all the way around. So here's my right side. Left side, and back to the front. So really cute. So I have reviewed Caliente, but I'll go back over her stats just while we're talking about her. So her sides are 7 inches. Her back is 12 inches. She has overall measurements of 5 to 12 inches. And then her nape back here is 5 inches. So she's got, that's probably that 7-inch layer that they're talking about in the front. So you could, cut a bang across if you prefer to have a bang. I just really like the way the waves just lay across the forehead. So really, really gorgeous color. I'm just so excited about this English Toffee in Caliente. Now, Caliente is a lace front with a left side monopart. So lace front is, I like it. I think it's well done. You can see when I get close to the camera there, this particular brunette does not have that dark rooting that they traditionally have put on the other brunettes. So I really, really like that because that dark rooting was just a little too dark for my taste. So let's take her outside and we will look at this color out in the sunshine. Okay, here she is out in the sun. So you can see the different colors. You can see those brunettes. They describe as a rich brown and a Tuscany brown. And you can see that Auburn reflection in there. Just really, really pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm just so excited that this color is here. And you can see, like I talked about when I was indoors, is you can see that there is no dark rooting. So I am so excited about that too. Really pretty. Let's go back inside. Okay, so there you have it. This is Caliente in the new shade for Belle Tress, English Toffee. Look for it from your retailers hopefully soon. I don't know what the availability is going to be on it, but I am hoping that we will start seeing it more and more available and that you're able to get it soon. In the meantime, you can check with Wig Studio One and see what if she knows anything about the availability. I will link her down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.